beautiful beaches here in the city of Tel Aviv. That's some extraordinary, guys. That's really beautiful place. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. That's an awesome city. A lovely and beautiful city. It's amazing city, Tel Aviv, guys. Yes. It is amazing, guys. Unbelievable.